Okay, kiddos, you're going to make a clay bird sculpture. The little bird will be in a nest, and we're going to go through how to do it step by step. Okay, the first thing you do is break your chunk of clay in half. Set one of the pieces aside. There you go. Then take that other piece and break it in half. Just pinch it, twist it, pull it, and break that piece of clay off. Then you're going to roll that one piece of clay that you have in your hand together. Make a nice round shape with your hands. You can roll it side to side till it's kind of like a oval shape, like a tiny miniature potato. There you go. Just shape it with your fingers like that. Pick off a piece of your smaller piece of clay. Roll it into a really nice ball. And then you're going to stick the ball on top of your oval shape. Use glue to attach it, which is your clay slip. So get your toothpick or your sharp tool and stick it on your oval. Just like that. Then you're going to pinch that little tiny ball to make the tiny bird's beak. Just pinch, 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 pinch. It's little tiny circle part, and then it has a beak. And then on the other side, you're going to pinch, pinch, pinch a little bigger to make the bird's tail. Just pinch, pinch with your thumb and your finger and shape it how you want it. Next, you make the wings. And to do that, you take what's left of your little piece of clay and roll that into two little balls in your hands, just like this. Roll, roll, roll. And then you take those two little balls and you flatten them with your fingers. So push them down so they're flat, like bird wings. You can shape them however you want. Then you're going to attach them to your bird. They can be out like the bird is flying. They can be against its body like it's resting. It's totally up to you what you want to do, but your bird should have wings made of clay. And then make sure that you scratch and slip to glue the wings on. So then the last thing you do for your bird is you take the toothpick and you poke holes where the eyes of the bird would be on each side. Just use your toothpick and then shape it how you want it. Fix it up a little. It's so cute. And then you're ready to make the nest. So just take chunks of the rest of your clay out and put it in this garlic press. And then push the clay through the press and you get these spaghetti-like strings of clay. And you just keep pushing the clay through the garlic press. Push it through, use all your muscles, and it gets longer. And just use all your extra clay, squish it down in there, and then you'll be able to pull off the strings of clay after you squeeze it out, and then shape that clay, those strings, into basically the shape of a nest. Make sure there's like a circle there, kind of like a nest donut, because then you're just going to use the clay glue to put your finger inside of the nest and then place the bird inside with the clay glue, and your bird is ready.